The orange hues of the setting sun painted the sky above like a farewell kiss to the day. The wind whispered through the trees, gentle yet haunting, as if mourning something that hadn't happened yet. In the middle of the old steel bridge that ran over the silent river, stood a girl. Alone. Her hair blew in the breeze, her eyes vacant, and her bare toes curled on the edge of the cold iron rail. Her name was Emily, 22, lost, forgotten, and utterly hollow inside. For the world, she had once been full of dreams, a writer, a teacher, a lover of sunrises. But the world hadn't been kind to her dreams. She had lost her mother to cancer 2 years ago. Her father had left when she was 7. Her boyfriend had cheated. Her landlord had kicked her out. Her friends, silent. Hope had slowly dissolved into despair, and that night, as the sky darkened and the river whispered below, she whispered 4 words to the wind, "This is my last breath." Across town, Jason Hayes was racing home from his second job. A single father, working 2 shifts to provide for his 6-year-old daughter Lily. His wife, Rachel, had died giving birth to Lily, his only light left in a world gone dim. He never imagined being both mother and father, but he had learned to braid hair, pack lunches, and kiss scraped knees. His life was hard, but Lily's smile made it bearable. That evening, tired and drenched in sweat, he took the shortcut home, across the same bridge Emily now stood on. As he drove slowly, something caught his eye, someone on the edge. He slammed the brakes. Emily heard the screech of tires and turned slowly. A man, tall, rugged, in a dirty mechanic's shirt, was walking toward her with slow, careful steps. "Please don't," he said softly. "Whatever's hurting you, it doesn't have to end like this." She didn't answer. Just looked down at the water. Her fingers trembled. "You don't know me," she whispered. "You don't know what I've lost." Jason nodded. "Maybe I don't," he replied. "But I do know what it means to lose everything and still wake up because someone needs you." Emily's eyes welled up. "No one needs me," she said bitterly. "I'm invisible. Even God forgot me." Jason stepped closer. "My daughter needs me. And maybe tonight, I need you." That made her blink. "Why would you need me?" she asked. Jason took a deep breath, eyes never leaving hers. "Because I think, maybe you're the reason I took this bridge today." Emily laughed through tears. "You believe in fate?" He smiled. "I believe in people. And right now, I see someone worth saving. Not because she's broken, but because she still has something to give the world, even if she doesn't see it." She looked away. "I can't go back to the way things were." "You don't have to," he said. "But you can go forward. And I'll help you." Then she said it. The words that would chill him to his soul, "This is my last breath." Jason didn't wait. He dialed 911 while speaking to her with every bit of calmness he could fake. "My name is Jason. I have a daughter named Lily. And I think she'd love to meet you. Will you take one step back, for her?" Silence. His heart pounded. The wind grew louder. Then, slowly, she stepped down. One step. Then another. Her knees buckled, and Jason caught her in his arms. When the paramedics arrived, she was barely conscious. But she was alive. Jason stood back as they loaded her into the ambulance, praying she would find the strength to fight. "You saved her," one of the medics said. But Jason shook his head. "No, she saved herself. I just reminded her she could." That night, as he tucked Lily into bed, she looked up and said, "Daddy, who were you talking to on the bridge?" He kissed her forehead gently. An angel who forgot she had wings. That moment stayed with him, etched in his memory like scripture. But little did he know, their story was far from over. Emily would return, and not just to say thank you. She would change their lives forever.